Hello, my name is Steve Adams, president of Clawmounts Manufacturing. I'd like to introduce you to an innovation we're quite proud of, the Absolute Zero Dreadnought system, a true quick detach system, interchangeable, brutally strong, utterly reliable. The Absolute Zero Dreadnought is not only an advance in optical mounting technology, but an example of American manufacturing prowess and innovation. Proudly designed, patented, and built in the United States. Absolute Zero is extremely accurate. Simple to operate, one button to detach, a self-locking device instantly adapts your weapon from day scope to iron sight to thermal. One downward motion to lock. Gross motor skill, and can be easily and silently operated in the dark. The traveling hunter can now fit multiple optics in a case and be prepared for any eventuality, any situation. These are our 1-inch hunter rings, obviously a different contour than our HD tactical rings, and of course, all are interchangeable. You can also switch your optics from rifle to rifle and just make adjustments according to the caliber or the dope of the gun. Rugged, adaptable to any weapon, adaptable to any optic, extensively tested, special forces, airborne units, SOCOM, in the hands of some of the finest marksmen in the country.
Hi, I'm Pete Sprecher. I'm a law enforcement officer in the south suburbs of Chicago. I'm a SWAT sniper, firearms instructor, and overall recreational shooter and hunter. Recently, I was approached by a local company called Clawmounts Manufacturing, and they wanted to show me their new quick detachable scope mounting system. All the quick detach systems I've seen in the past, they haven't been able to do what they said they would be able to do. They gave me a quick rundown of their product, showed me all the ins and outs of it, and then were kind enough to let me take a test rifle home and start putting rounds through it with a couple different magnified optics and their mounting system. So thus far I put several hundred rounds through the rifle, and I started off just getting a baseline for the rifle, find out what kind of ammunition it likes, and then how well it groups just as is. Then after that I would start removing the scope and swapping them in and out in between each groups, and the rifle continued to group the same no matter what optic was on there or when I took it off. And then I was getting to the point where I'd take the optic on and off in between each and every shot in each and every group, and I continued to pattern the same and hold its groupings. Right now I'm very impressed. I see a lot of different applications for it, in hunting and recreational shooting, just being able to protect your optic, in transit, or swapping out that super expensive piece of glass from one rifle to another. And then also, in law enforcement military applications, there's quite a few different areas where this product would excel.
We're continually adapting the mounting system to different weapons. Absolute Zero is a true quick detach system, a one-hand operated device. No secondary hand manipulation required. It's interchangeable, so multiple attachments will lock into the same base and return to zero. They're preset Absolute Zero.